Yeldragu Namaskara. So guys, in this video I'm going to discuss with you the 3 ways through which you can easily verify your Iosh certificate. Yeah guys, starting from the latest way and the most effective way and going to the least effective way. I'll discuss these 3 ways, but out of these 2 ways requires one important information about your certificate, that is called certificate number, which we will be utilizing during this verification. So let's start our first way through which you can easily verify your Iosh certificate. So first of all, what you need to do guys, you need to come onto the Google and search here Iosh. So when you will search here, the interface will be in such sort of way. Okay, alright, just zoom it here and put here Iosh certificate verification. What is that? Certificate verification. And this one is the guys way number 1, which is like most easy and most effective. A lot of people are using this particular way for verification of their Iosh certificate, because the results you will get it very immediately. Now here you can see validate training certificate online checker Iosh. Just click on that, very simple. Okay, so once you have clicked over that, the interface it will take some time, okay, because my net is also pretty much slow. Alright, so here the interface will be in such sort of way. Now as I told you, you will get here the certificate number. See here, this is called the certificate number. So in my case, my certificate number is 628507. So I'll just put here 62857. Okay, first name Kapil and last name is Bhandari. And course name, as you can see here, I have done managing safely, so I will write here managing safely. So if you have done working safely, supervising, directing safely, you can put it over here, managing safely. Okay, so once you have put that, click on that submit button. So once you will click on that, it will show you your results. See here guys, certificate found, a certificate has been found using the information you have provided. So this is the first way, okay, through which you can easily verify your Iosh certificate. Now the way number 2 that I'm going to discuss with you is regarding mail. Now if you want to try any other way, that what you can do is you need to just click one photo of this Iosh certificate and just mail this photo to the Iosh by utilizing one ID that is called reception@iosh.com. What is that? reception@iosh.com. Reception will be in small words, all the small words @iosh.com, and in subject you need to put verifications, and in that just write that, hello Iosh, I just want to verify my certificate and all. So after sending this particular email, within the next 5 days or 7 days, you will get the confirmation whether your certificate, this Iosh certificate, is original or fake. So this is the second way. Now the third way, and I can call it very least effective way. Some people told that, but I didn't recommend you this particular way because it is not that much useful. Some people, what they do is, in my case my certificate is laminated, they will check the paper quality, and the second thing is that the mark that you can see here, stamp, the print of that in the back side. So if you found these 2 things also, the paper quality and that mark, it means your Iosh certificate is original. But don't utilize this third way because that is not too much genuine. Just utilize 2 ways. First of all, going to the website and checking it online, and you will get the immediate results. Second is sending this particular certificate photo to Iosh and getting the results within the 7 days. So these are the 2 trusted ways through which you can easily verify your Iosh certificate and can check whether your Iosh certificate is authentic or real or not. So guys, I hope you like this video. So if you are visiting to our channel first time, kindly subscribe it, because these type of informative videos you will be getting in the near future. So this is about the end of this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care guys, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.